Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into your FedEx Freight account. To log into your FedEx Freight account, you'll first need to visit the FedEx Freight Billing online login page. So in order to do that, first of all, open a web browser. Type in fedex.com and search. Once you're in the official website for FedEx, click on the support button at the top of the screen. Now select Billing and Invoicing option. Now scroll down and click on Login to FedEx Freight. Enter your user ID and then your password to log into your account in the text boxes. If you don't remember your user ID or your password, click on Forgot your user ID or password link and follow through the instructions till the end. After filling in your details, click Log In and you will then be able to log into your FedEx Freight account, just like that. So that is how it's easily done. Once you're logged in, you can now view open invoices ready for payment, access closed invoices, review your payment history and much more. If the video was helpful to you, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.